Nice residential job today, doing a bit of fence line work. The goal is to let some light into this backyard, so we're doing a little bit of thinning on the blackwoods and removing dead limb from this eucalyptus cinerea. In the front yard, we're just doing a little formative and structural pruning of the existing gum trees, removing included branches and just a little bit of tidying up in here and there.